Most airplanes are designed to avoid danger. But the A-10 Warthog was built to fly directly into it, flushed face emoji. This aircraft is basically a flying tank. You'll see why the A-10 became one of the most feared military aircraft ever created. The A-10 Warthog was designed during the Cold War. The mission was simple: create a plane that could survive absolute chaos while destroying tanks on the battlefield. And the result looked unlike anything else in the sky. The first thing you notice is the massive cannon mounted on the front. This weapon is called the GAU-8 Avenger. And it's absolutely insane. The cannon is so large. The entire aircraft was literally built around it. It fires nearly 4,000 rounds per minute. That's around 65 bullets every second. The sound alone became legendary. Many soldiers described it as terrifying. And when the A-10 attacks, the target usually doesn't survive. But the cannon is only part of the story. What really makes the A-10 special is its survivability. This aircraft was designed to keep flying, even after taking serious damage. The pilot sits inside a titanium armored bathtub. Yes, an actual armored shell surrounds the cockpit. It protects the pilot from bullets and explosions. Some parts of the aircraft are so heavily reinforced they can survive direct hits that would destroy normal planes. And it gets even crazier. The A-10 can still fly with damaged wings, destroyed hydraulics, and even one engine missing. In some real combat missions, A-10s returned to base filled with bullet holes. Some looked almost destroyed, yet somehow still landed safely. The engines are mounted high above the wings for a reason too. This reduces the chance of ground fire damaging them. And it also protects the engines from debris during rough landings. Everything about this aircraft was designed for war. Even the landing gear is unique. Part of the wheels stay exposed, even when fully retracted. Why? Because if the landing gear fails, the aircraft can still perform an emergency landing without completely exploding on impact. And despite looking slow, the A-10 is extremely deadly in close combat. Ground troops often say hearing the Warthog nearby feels like instant relief. Because once it arrives, everything changes. But surprisingly, the A-10 has been controversial for years. Some military officials wanted to retire it. They believed newer jets could replace it. But many soldiers strongly disagreed. Why? Because few aircraft can do what the Warthog does. It's durable, terrifying, simple, and unbelievably effective. Even today, the A-10 remains one of the most iconic military aircraft ever built. Not because it's fast. Not because it's beautiful. But because it was engineered to survive hell itself, flushed face emoji. And honestly, there may never be another aircraft quite like the Warthog.